Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Ahviworld. Today you're going to learn how to make this beautiful fascinator. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do that, and if you like this video, kindly give us thumbs up. Let's get started. Here are the things needed for making this fascinator. I have this mesh net here, my feathers, my UHU, a pair of scissors, and my millinery wire. I already wrapped the millinery wire, so I'll just go ahead right now and wrap this cap as well. I went a step ahead to kind of cover the millinery wire like so. It's a very wide brim, that's how I want it. So I will just cover this cap now and place it on top of it like so. Okay, I finished wrapping it, so I'm just going to go ahead right now, place it on top here like so and so. Okay, because I want this place to be down, not up, I think I'll face it down. Okay, then place it like this and sew it so that when you wear it, this place will come down instead of going up. Do you understand? So I'll sew it right now. This was the shape I got out from the fascinator. Can you see that? After making the fascinator, after fixing my buckram cap, I just went a step ahead to fold here or bend it outwards to give it a sharp look, and I also bend here to give it a sharp look. Then the way I made it, this side of it is kind of longer and it's face it down. Okay, so that's how I want it. So what I'm going to do right now, I will just go ahead and embellish it right here. If you want to learn how I cut it out and got to this level, please check the link below. You will see our previous video on how we do that. Here is it. I'm done with it. Wow, this is amazing. I went a step ahead to embellish it with my feathers and some patches. This is amazing. Now begin to hit the subscribe button. The subscribe button is just down below. If this subscribe button is still showing you red like this, it means you haven't subscribed yet. So begin to hit it right away. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you can be getting more creative videos from us. I remain Ahviworld. Bye.